I prepped the fenders, I sanded them down. And here, yeah, it needs some more cleaning. Here's the car without the front bumper. And here's the other side of the fender, so it looks like he actually sanded it down. So yeah. Okay, so we're in the garage. Here's the fender. I just gotta get it and put it in the middle so I can have the space to work around it. So what I'm gonna use now is 600 grit sandpaper discs. Put on a sponge, it's a pad for a sanding machine. But I'm gonna sand it with my hands. So yeah. See, it has these little spots, like texture on it, and that's the primer. It's like an orange peel, and I gotta sand it down to make it look like this, so it looks smooth, not textured like here. Okay, I have finished sanding the bumper down with 600 grit. So yeah, I'm gonna start sanding this down with 800 grit sandpaper using water, so wet sanding. Alright guys, I have finished sanding down the front bumper. It looks good. It looks real good. Look how smooth it is. Of course it has water on it right now, but look how the water sits on it. That the front bumper is finished. I gotta go over to there and take the car. The car is in the other driveway, and I need to get it here. I got the keys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this piece of junk car. Alright, the car is ready to be sprayed with primer. The bundle has been sanded down, the dust has been cleaned, and now what's left to do is I have to mask everything down with masking tape, and after that I'm gonna take the car into the garage and I'm gonna cover it with some masking foil. Let me show it to you. So this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, let's get to work. So it started raining. And that's my jacket. That's the front bumper. Oh man. Now using a razor blade, I'm gonna carefully cut the foil where we're gonna spray down the primer. It is the next day, and last night Cosmin came and he applied the primer. It has dried up. Let me show you. Okay, this is the right fender. This is the quarter panel. Let me show you the other side. Here are a couple of spots down there, and the left fender. So now we're gonna start and sand the primer down real quick, and after that we're gonna spray the paint finally. Alright guys, the job is done. We have finished painting the car. I hope you can hear me because of the wind. And I just finished assembling the car, as you just saw in that beautiful time lapse there. And I can tell you how glad I am. Everything went down so smoothly and the paint laid down gorgeously. And I'm telling you, the client will be so pleased. So let me show you the paint real quick. Okay, here's the right fender. It looks so good. It has some dirt on it because don't mind the rest of the car because it's dirty. Here's the quarter panel. Look at the reflection. Look how good the reflection is. I can see myself. And here's the front bumper. Look at the reflection.